Hey, in today's video, I'm going to replace the fuse on the trailer here. I recently had the trailer lights are not working, the brake lights, left and right turning signals. And I double checked the fuse and it was the fuse. So I went out and bought this here on Amazon for like $6, really cheap. Came with 208 pieces, car fuse assortment kit. You see here, nice, very well organized. Even came with a automotive LED tester here. I'll sure save a lot of money because this I went about prior to that kit. I paid like about the same price. I only got like five fuses in it. Okay, and I figure I would go over with you here. It's real easy and really simple to replace the fuse. First thing you want to do is, of course, take out the fuse cap here. You just gotta loosen this up here with a screwdriver. This is where you're loosening up. And you can even, use this tester here. Real easy to use the tester. This is called your probe right here. This is the probe. And then you just connect this end onto like a negative, like even a ground or negative. And once you turn on your ignition, or just turn on where the lights come on, and turn on your turning signal, you can test it out and then see if it works or not. This one is actually, the wire is too short, so I'm not going to show you guys, but it's, again, you just got to ground this end. This is the ground. You just ground it, this end, and then you just probe it. Real easy to do. It's a nice little nifty tool here. I'll have a link below for that, and also this here. And they go for about 10 bucks, and you can buy one with LED lights in it, so they're a little bit less cost. Like they won't drain the battery, and a little bit won't damage your battery and your fuses and stuff, because sometimes the ones with not LED, they draws too much current. But yeah, let's go over here real quick. How did I know it's the fuse? Because I took them out here. As you can see, they're located. Let me turn on my headlights here. They're located right here, you can see. And when you take out this cover here, it's right on here where it tells you all the fuses. Okay? And when you take it out, you can see, let me take an example out here. This is a 10. You kind of, let me see here, you can see it closely. You got to just want to see the lines, the connection. If it's good, then they're good. But the ones I took out, they were pretty blown. Okay, and I recommend using a screwdriver here to put it back in here. But okay, now let's open this up here. Let me show you again. This is a great deal, really nice. Even came really well organized here, and a little breakdown of what's what. I need, from just looking at this cover here, I need 2 10s, and then I can put a couple spares in there just in the future, right? There are a couple spots here I can put spares. You can do that if you want, but I'm gonna go ahead and put 2 10s in there. Wow, that's nice. This brand is, I believe it's made in China, of course, but it's a Geo brand. It's got quite a bit of review, decent review here. But the 10 is, let's see, here's a 10. See how this runs here. Looks like this is a 10 is a label. They are labeled, so you can sell them. This one's 35, or a very tip. They are labeled, so that's very nice. Nice that they're the label here. I can barely see. This is one is a 20. I need a 10. So here's some 10s. Here, the red ones are 10. So they're actually color coded similar to OEM. So I'll put 2 10s in here, and you can see that I need 2 10s. I say 2 10s. So put 2 10s in here. Voila. Another 10. And you want to follow the standard, wherever the cover calls, because if you put one that's like 15, and it might overpower, surge, right? Or the reason why, this one's kind of, the reason why they have it like that, so the currents won't be too strong or too weak, right? Let's see here. I have a problem putting this one in here. There you go. Nope, still not pushing in pretty good here. So let me try a different one here. I'm gonna have to use a tool. That one's actually, oh, it's because it was longer here. Huh, interesting. So you can see some of them are actually came with longer tips and shorter tips, right? Or is it, yeah, interesting, very interesting. That's why that other one did not fit. So nice, little nice feature there, or nice, yeah, fit right in there. Good. So you can see here, and let me double check. I got everything. This one is blank here. That's blank. And yeah, but let me see. This one's a spare. Okay, 10. This is a 10. See right here, it's a 15. It's supposed to be a 10. So let me move that one out. You don't want. Put the spare in the 15 in the spare here. Okay. And then we put another 10. So it looks like 10. I use a lot of 10 here. Put 10 in there. Voila. And double check 10, 10, 10. It's a 10. No, 10, 25. 10 to 10. And with these over here, it's got two spares. 15, 30, and two spares. And it looks like everything's good. That's it. Put the cover back on and you're good to rock and roll. Okay. So yeah, I really recommend the product. It's great value, and you know, like I stated, I like to share stuff that I find is good value, decent, and good price. And other than that, until next time, guys, take care. Till next review. Bye now.